Today I will introduce our supplier, the film producing line to you. This room is our film material room. We have the glossy and matte. It is a white film, and this is EVA material. We have our supplier have 3 lines, 3 producing lines. Now this roller will enter. They will exchange the roller, the new one. After exchange the roller, now we have see the 2 roller. One is a working roller. This one is a prepared roller in here. This is a glossy film. The second part is the echo washing part. After echo treatment, the film will come into the dryer oven, because after echo washing, the film surface have the water, so must through the dryer oven. Now we have the EVA materials. We can see the quality of the EVA. The original from Korea. Our supplier factory use EVA material from Taiwan and Korea. The EVA quality keeps sure the material quality. This part is the EVA metal, heating and metal. It is the heart of the gluing part. This part is the gluing part. I will guide you to see the EVA material. This is a controller system. We can read the detailed data from the screen. Now, the thickness, the gluing thickness is 6 microns, and the film width is 2.2 meters. This part is corona treatment. It makes sure the film after gluing, and this can test with the paper more stable. This part, this device is waste film cutting, and it will come out to there. After gluing and corner treatment. Now this part is film rewinding. This is a slitting workshop. Depending on customer requirement, we can customize the size. Like this. It's a small length and a small and a small. Now you have seen this is our storage area. Different film with different kinds of film. Depending on customer need, we have the different size. This is very small. This is a small size. And the length is 4,000 meters. The total length is 4,000 meters. We have 4,000 meters, 3,000 meters, 2,000 meters, and 1,000 meters, depending on customer machine size. Now you will see this is the packaging area. This is our packaging machine. Now our worker have put the pallet on the packaging machine. It's very convenient and very fast. After packaging, our pallet film will come here. This area is a standby area and a standby to delivery and shipment. This area also.